This is the Sony Handycam model number DCR-TRV350. It records video in Digital 8 format at a resolution of 720 by 480 using a 1/6 inch CCD sensor. Up front, you get a 20x optical zoom and a 700x digital zoom, supported by Sony's Super Steady Shot electronic image stabilization to cut down on handheld shake. Connectivity is where the TRV350 really shines. You've got Firewire, also called iLink for digital transfer, plus S-video and composite inputs that let you use the camera for analog pass-through. That means you can digitize high 8 tapes, video 8, and even old VHS footage. On the side, there's a 2.5 inch color LCD, along with manual controls for exposure, focus, and white balance. This specific Digital 8 model also has the ability to play back previously recorded high 8 tapes. So, let's head out, get some footage, and see what it looks like.